This is the 2014 Chevy Silverado. Real quick, I wasn't getting a no start at no crank. When I turned the key, I would get lights on in the battery, and then every now and again it would start. Well, let me say this, every now and again it wasn't starting, and it progressively got worse. So, after talking to a bunch of people, they said, oh, maybe it's just the starter. So I did. I replaced the starter. Still wasn't doing it. It seemed like when it got hot is when I was having a problem getting started. Once it cooled down, I can go ahead and start it. But what I found out, I checked the relays, the fuses, I checked everything. What I found was I wasn't getting any continuity on this distribution bar, whatever you call this, on top of my battery here. So I went ahead and got on Amazon and purchased it. And the number, I don't know, it's kind of rough to see, but the number on this one is, all right, there you go. There's your part number. So anyway, I went ahead and ordered this yesterday, and it came today. Here's a better view of the part number. And I wish I would have just took the multimeter out and checked all this first, but I didn't. I went ahead and, I was about to change the ignition switch, and there's a neutral safety switch I was gonna change, and I put a new ground wire, thinking, okay, well, maybe it's that. But I did all kind of stuff, and I should have just tested this first, and this was my problem. Good luck.